Hello, ever since I put my video up about building the Argentinian grill, it's hit nearly 30,000 views, and I stupidly said in that video that I would be prepared to post the plastic spacer blocks off, which is fine, I will do that, but lots of people have asked, so I decided to put it on Shapeways, and Shapeways makes you order one of your own parts, so I had to order it. So there you go. So if you want to make your own grill, you can get these off Shapeways now. I make $1 or something per part sold, so it's not a profit making thing, it's just so that I don't have to print loads of them and post them out. They're a couple of quid each. You need at least 2, I would suggest 3, because in the original video I was kind of holding them like this, and you definitely need at least 2, I wouldn't do it with just 1. But there you go, you can buy these off Shapeways, they'll ship them straight to you. It took like 2 days or 3 days. So I'll put the link in the description, and that should help if you want to make your own.